gave everybody my drills. Let's see, I have a battery. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. Oh yeah, it's a lot of news happening in crypto, baby. It's a lot of news happening in crypto. A lot of news. Safe move. We're in safe move. Safe move. Man. I'm looking for a bit. Oh, come on. Hey, Gianni. Let me get that bit que te di, güey, para los screws, for the blue screws. Or I might have some more. Let's see if I got some more. Come on. Oh. Hey, wait, the bit, wait. Hey, this guy. This guy. Let me get this guy, way. You got it on you or no way? Yeah, I only got so many. Okay. Let's see. Get my bit. Let's see, wait. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna try to be. Sun run! Wait, what the hell is sun run? You see how it kind of technically I went a little too far, but we're gonna. You see how it moves back? All right, let's see what happens. No. Technically, you just need high RPM, not so much push power, but high RPM. So I'll lock it into place. So whatever measurements I place into that, I can get back to this position. I'll try to do it at the very edge. You know, try to make it give it as much space as possible. Doesn't have to be all the way in. Alright guys, you guys are watching patented data, baby. So we'll mark the corners. And then yep, that's pretty much all we're doing. Marking the corners. Okay, nice and simple. Usually it's about 15 minutes of just all this is probably like 2 hours right here. You guys are gonna get 2 hours of nice custom footage. Safe Moon Castle. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's it. Got into crypto. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna knock that out. Knock that out. I don't know, but knock that out. Okay, when you do these transitions, you gotta do them quick. You can't be here for 30 minutes. Salud, amigo. Alright, so we'll worry about the corners real quick.